The pipe inside the body of this fridge has developed a leak. Now we will check this fridge using a stethoscope. Our goal is to locate the exact point of the leak. So today, we will use the stethoscope for this task and see whether we can find the precise place where the leak is coming from. This tool will help us a lot. So today we will work with it and try to locate the leak. Now look at this. We can hear the sound here, but we cannot determine the exact location of where it is coming from. So for this, we will use a stethoscope. It's somewhere right here, in this spot, within this area. And check what is causing the leak from this point. The sound becomes quite strong in this area. So this plaster here, this is the area where the sound is coming from. As you can see, we have reached the exact point, and we have found the pipe. At first, we thought that the leak was somewhere around here, but now the position is clear because, as you can see, there is a joint here. The leak has actually occurred from this joint. Now we will cut this area a bit more, and after cutting it open, we will braze this joint. here it is. This is the point, the exact point we found. Look at this. When we place a hand here, the sound stops. Now we will start the brazing process. Since the pipe is leaking from the joint, we will braze it and join the joint properly. But before that, we will do one thing. Because plastic has been used inside this fridge, we have taken a large cloth and soaked it in water. We will place this wet cloth inside like this. One person will hold it here so that the plastic inside does not get damaged by the heat. Now, we have done the brazing here. Next, we will apply pressure again and check whether there is any leak here or not. Now the position here is completely okay. There is no kind of leakage coming from this point anymore. And now, from all the capillary pipes here, gas is coming out. You can see it from this one as well, and this is the third pipe here. So gas is coming from all three of them.
Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.